Lesson: Key Concepts in Business Analysis. Key concepts in business analysis are essential for professionals aiming to excel in the field and achieve certification as a certified business analysis professional. Business analysis is a discipline that involves identifying business needs and determining solutions to business problems. These solutions often include a systems development component, but may also consist of process improvement, organizational change, or strategic planning and policy development. The core concepts in business analysis are vital because they provide a structured approach to understanding and addressing business challenges, improving processes, and delivering value. In this lesson, we will explore actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals can implement directly, supported by examples and case studies. One of the foundational frameworks in business analysis is the Business Analysis Core Concept Model. This model is an essential part of the business analysis body of knowledge and provides a holistic view of the business analysis discipline. The BACCM consists of 6 core concepts: change, need, solution, stakeholder, value, and context. Change refers to the transformation of an organization from its current state to a future state to achieve specific goals. Need is the problem or opportunity that triggers the change. The solution is the specific way in which the need is addressed. Stakeholders are individuals or groups affected by the change or involved in the solution. Value is the worth, importance, or usefulness of something to a stakeholder. Lastly, context encompasses the circumstances that influence or are influenced by the change. Understanding and applying the BACCM allows business analysts to align their activities with organizational goals and deliver meaningful results. A practical tool that business analysts frequently use is the SWOT analysis, which stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. SWOT analysis is a strategic planning tool that allows organizations to identify internal and external factors that could impact their objectives. By evaluating the strengths and weaknesses within the organization and the opportunities and threats in the external environment, business analysts can guide decision-making processes and strategic planning. For instance, a company may identify a strength in its robust research and development capabilities, while recognizing a weakness in its marketing strategy. By capitalizing on opportunities such as emerging market trends and addressing threats like economic downturns, the company can develop a comprehensive strategy that enhances its competitive edge. Another critical framework is the stakeholder analysis, which involves identifying and analyzing stakeholders to understand their influence, interests, and expectations. Stakeholder analysis is crucial for effective communication and collaboration throughout the business analysis process. Business analysts can use the Stakeholder Power Interest Grid, a tool that helps categorize stakeholders based on their level of power and interest in the project. This grid enables analysts to prioritize stakeholders and tailor engagement strategies accordingly. For example, stakeholders with high power and high interest should be closely managed, while those with low power and low interest may require only minimal attention. By effectively managing stakeholder relationships, business analysts can ensure alignment and support for project objectives. A case study that illustrates the application of business analysis concepts is the implementation of a customer relationship management system in a retail organization. The organization faced challenges in managing customer data, leading to inefficiencies in marketing campaigns and customer service. The business analyst conducted a needs assessment to identify the key requirements for a CRM solution. Using the BACCM, the analyst defined the change as the implementation of a CRM system to enhance customer interactions and drive sales growth. Through stakeholder analysis, the analyst engaged with sales, marketing, and IT departments to gather input and ensure alignment. A SWOT analysis revealed strengths, such as a loyal customer base, and opportunities, like the potential for personalized marketing. By addressing these factors, the analyst proposed a CRM solution that streamlined customer data management and improved marketing effectiveness. The successful implementation resulted in a 20% increase in customer retention and a 15% boost in sales within the first year. Business process modeling is another essential aspect of business analysis. It involves creating visual representations of business processes to identify inefficiencies and opportunities for improvement. One widely used tool for business process modeling is Business Process Model and Notation, which provides a standardized method for documenting processes. BPMN diagrams help stakeholders understand complex processes and facilitate communication between business and technical teams. For example, a manufacturing company seeking to optimize its production process could use BPMN to map the current workflow, identify bottlenecks, and design an improved process that reduces lead times and increases productivity. In addition to tools and frameworks, business analysis requires strong analytical skills and the ability to communicate findings effectively. Data analysis is fundamental to understanding the root causes of business problems and developing evidence-based solutions. Business analysts often use data visualization tools, such as Tableau or Power BI, to present data in a clear and actionable format. By transforming raw data into visual insights, analysts can uncover trends, patterns, and correlations that inform decision-making. For instance, a healthcare organization analyzing patient data could use data visualization to identify areas for improvement in patient care and resource allocation, ultimately leading to enhanced service delivery and patient outcomes. The role of communication cannot be overstated in business analysis. Effective communication ensures that stakeholders understand the objectives, processes, and outcomes of business analysis activities. Techniques such as active listening, negotiation, and conflict resolution are essential for building relationships and facilitating collaboration. Business analysts must tailor their communication style to suit different stakeholders, using language and formats that resonate with each audience. For example, while technical stakeholders may prefer detailed reports and technical specifications, executive stakeholders may require concise presentations that focus on strategic implications and value propositions. Statistics play a crucial role in demonstrating the effectiveness of business analysis tools and strategies. Research indicates that organizations that effectively implement business analysis practices can achieve significant improvements in project outcomes. According to a study by the Project Management Institute, organizations with mature business analysis capabilities are 20% more likely to achieve project success and deliver projects on time and within budget. These statistics underscore the value of investing in business analysis competencies and highlight the potential impact on organizational performance. In conclusion, key concepts in business analysis, such as the BACCM, SWOT analysis, stakeholder analysis, business process modeling, and data visualization, provide a comprehensive framework for addressing business challenges and delivering value. By leveraging these tools and frameworks, business analysts can effectively identify needs, develop solutions, and engage stakeholders. The integration of analytical skills, communication techniques, and data-driven insights further enhances the ability of business analysts to drive strategic initiatives and achieve organizational goals. As the business landscape continues to evolve, the role of business analysis remains critical in ensuring successful outcomes and sustainable growth.